Closest one's in Washington.
Smithsonian Air and Space Museum.
And I'm here at the Smithsonian Aerospace Museum. Very interested, bro, because this is from the movie Transformers Revenge of the Fallen. Okay, very excited. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day to live.
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Makes sense, right? So, planes and aircrafts. I don't know much about it. He knows about it and he knows about it. And they're gonna be our tour guide for the video. Look at that. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna be needing this. Ashisha, you hold this. You take me to places. Boeing Aviation Hangar. Oh my god. Oh my god. Told you it was cool. Well, I think I'm about to have an orgasm. That's the one from the movie. And this is the skipper from the Planes movie. Okay, so this is Jetfire. And wait, this is supposed to be a Decepticon, right? Shit, wait. I would absolutely go crazy if this guy transforms now. Okay.
It's a recon vehicle. This was the fastest aircraft to ever fly. It's completely built out of titanium. Concorde.
Do I know what?
Concorde?
What's Concorde? I don't know.
You don't know Concorde? It's literally the fastest commercial jet ever made, and they removed it or they decommissioned the program because it was too good. Say it was actually harming civilians because of how fast it was. Windows used to shatter, buildings used to have.
But the actual question is, does it go fast enough to turn back time?
No.
India had this one?
Yeah. Codename Bison. We still do use this. These are pretty old actually, and the Russians were the one to give us.
I have a feeling that I'm not going to be speaking much in the video. Okay? Wait, MiG is the one that they mentioned in the Top Gun movie, right?
Yeah. No, I don't think it's. I think it's J57. That's Chinese.
Yes. J27, 72, 83, yes, numbers and letters. I love it. Oh, the one that goes like this.
Yeah, have you seen Die Hard 4.0?
4.0. I don't know.
The one where there's a vertical.
I've played San Andreas. Does that help?
Yeah, it's like the Harrier. Okay, yeah, that is like the Harrier in the San Andreas. There's only 2 or 3 companies which makes engine in the world for all jets. It's Rolls-Royce. There is Pratt & Whitney. I think
Top Gun.
Dassault. Yeah.
Hey, boomer. I know someone. Nice. Let me make this absolutely clear, bro. In the camera, it looks tiny. Okay. Itto sa dikhta hai. But actually, yeah, planes are really huge.
If you come with me to the air show on May 19th in Delaware, you will see the entire squadron doing an air show. Fucking amazing stunts.
Interesting. YouTube guidelines, sorry.
No, do you see the holes over there? There's 2 small holes.
Oh, right.
Yeah, those are
The rifle cannons.
Yeah.
Yes. Underdeveloped, okay. Bro, look at that engine. It's a Rolls-Royce engine. It's so cool. Yeah, the movie.
So he flies this. I don't know which part exactly. I think it was Rambo 3 or Rambo 4. I'm not sure.
Future Butter, find that clip, okay?
Yeah.
This is very thin, okay? It's just made for 2 people. Hold on. Yeah. That's much. Holy shit. My god. I am not exaggerating this, bro. This is very big, okay?
These are diving bombs.
Yeah.
I think you can see a resemblance to Japanese technology. Do you know they had kamikaze
Yeah.
squadrons?
Yeah.
Where they used to kill themselves basically. These were like similar, but they didn't kill themselves. They used to just drop bombs while diving.
Efficient. Oh, bro's got graffiti. So wait, those are antennas, right?
Guided to its target by radar and heavily armed with up to 8 cannons.
50 caliber machine guns. Those ones, right?
Or how they say it in the movies. 50 cal. It's technical.
I'm just acting like I know shit, okay? Because that's weird. Okay, that's a seat. Hold on. Oh damn. The baby albatross. Shiny. That's the best I can say, bro. I don't know anything about it, okay? The best I can do is just read the stuff that is written on there. This is another crown jewel, okay?
This is the Concorde.
Fastest ever made commercial jet, and it was so fast that it was very harmful for the passengers inside.
No, not so much for the passengers, but more so for the civilization below. When it came close to the ground, when it was trying to land, it was actually shattering a lot of windows, actually creating property damages to people.
Damn. That's just savage, bro.
Yeah.
I'm more curious about how they parked all the aircraft so close to each other. Idhar dekh, bro, this is a very huge plane, right? And there's a chotu airplane just in the buttocks of this airplane. Sorry about that. That's Dusty Crop Hopper from the movie Planes. It says Dusty, that's his number. Yes. The Jolly Ranchers. That's the squadron. It has ice, bro. That's so cool. What is this open concept? Eh? Open floor concept for a helicopter. What is that thing that goes taka 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 taka?
Helicopter.
You see these model helicopters? These are real helicopters. Not a lot of times in your life you can say that. That is so cool. Okay. The scalability is very disheartening, okay, because this looks absolutely humongous, but it looks very ittusa in camera. Nice. The fastest commercial jet ever. This is the aircraft that, you manually push it to start it, right? What are they
TVS heavy duty.
TVS heavy duty. Hey, stunt plane. Bud Light. It's a disgusting beer, okay? Also German. Double wing. And what is it called, sir?
It's called the Black Widow.
Scarlett Johansson.
So the team which was involved in manufacturing the SR-71, it's called Skunk Works. You see that emblem over there, that's a skunk.
Oh, right.
Like they do the most advanced secretive defense project.
Bro. Nice. This is the entire hangar that you're seeing. And yes, the best part isn't in any of these sections. Holy, wait, that's a drone, right? That's a drone.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes. We are going to the best place of the whole entire museum. That is the rocket, the space hangar, bro. That's a space shuttle. Holy shit. My god. This is on a whole new another level, sir. The size of this is unfathomable. My god. I can't believe I'm looking at something that actually went to space. Look at the size of this. How crazy is this, bro?
Size
Insane.
is
This guy actually went to space.
those plates you're seeing, the heat shields, very sophisticated to design. Make sure that re-entry they don't burn up.
And they did burn up, so that's why it's kinda...
That's why the program shut down.
Yeah.
There was one such incident.
Of course, but the white patches you see, that are burn marks.
So you see this payload bay, this entire thing opens up. Okay, it's the payload space.
Yeah, that
Where-
part.
Yeah, these could, hold on satellites which were being deployed into space.
And the satellite that was deployed was Hubble telescope.
Yeah, Hubble telescope was one of them, and you have some of the International Space Station modules.
And 39 Earth orbital missions. And you see that? People can have actual conversations with astronauts. real time. That's a Zoom call. That's being transcribed, and you can ask him questions, and he's gonna give you an answer. So you see that camera? They can see you. Oh damn!
So this is what you see once they land on the surface. The lower part is the heat shield. You see that? That's the re-entry.
Burn marks, bro. Oh my god.
This is the Mars Pathfinder. They wanted to come up with a creative solution to deploy this onto the surface of Mars. So they came up with this ingenious idea of why don't we just put it inside a ball or like a airbag,
Balloon.
a balloon, let's say. Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Okay. 20 buttas can fit inside that, okay? Just one. 20 of me. Easily. That's... Whew. I still feel this is all artificial, bro, because I'm seeing an actual space shuttle.
Intercontinental ballistic missiles. So this is from launched from a submarine. This is nuclear capable. You want to blow a country up?
No. And just past the spaceship, there's the restoration center. Nice, no? So cool stuff, bro. Something about the Enola Gay plane.
Okay, the first time ago in the whole world was stopped by this plane, this exact plane. Not this model, this exact unit.
Oh damn, there are simulators here, bro. Action figure? No, I thought. Dream model to buy all of these. There are different priorities. Nan kadanu illa sumuru. So this is the F-22.
This is the F-22 Raptor. This is the SR-71.
Yes, and this is Starscream from Transformers.
This is Starscream.
And yes, with that, we have come to an end of our journey in the Smithsonian Aerospace Museum. It's air and space or aerospace. Amazing day. Oh yeah, cray, full. So yes, if you are still here, thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me a part of your day. My name is Bhatta. Welcome to the fam.
Make a bitch delirious. Bitches on my dick cause a boy so mysterious.
So what exactly is that?
B-29 Super Fortress. Enola Gay.
Hangya padta hai.